Hey everybody, it's Tuesday, so that means here at Crate Insider, that's Top 5 Tuesday, and I am your host, Kate Dillon. And this week I have 5 of our top products to bring you, but before we get started with that, I want to go ahead and one of our featured items this week is our valve spring changer from LSM. So, especially this time of year, we get to mid-season, things start getting worn. You might want to take a look at those valve springs, especially with your Crate engines, and getting those switched out. And just a little caveat, kind of if you have a 604 or a 604, because I know that there is a nationwide back order on 602 springs right now. We're doing our best to try to get some back in stock for sure. So, but with a 604, or if you have an extra set of 602 springs, changing your valve springs is a great thing to do this time of year. And we love this valve spring changer here from LSM. It is all CNC machine. This will last you a lifetime. And what we love is just, it makes it so nice with to be able to just rotate this and push the spring down, pull off your valve spring keepers, and then be able to change out your springs. It makes it really fast and easy. And this just goes right on to the rocker arm bolt. Anyway, we've got some great videos that show you how to change valve springs, and we can of course link those into the description wherever you're watching this video. So that's featured this week, and this tool runs $265.98, and we absolutely love it. So with that, let's go ahead and jump into our top 5 products this week. And in the number 5 spot is our NGK spark plugs. One of the most popular questions we hear at Crate Insider is what spark plug should I use in my Crate engine? And we love the NGK spark plugs. And regardless of whether you're using race gas or if you're using E85, these plugs are at a great heat temp that will work very well for both the 602 and with the 604. So this is the NGK R5724-8s, and we sell a set of 8 for $35.12. So that's in our number 5 spot. In the number 4 spot this week is our flat air filter base, and it happens to be our black powder coated air filter base. And we do sell it where it comes with the seal ring as well. So this can just go right onto your carburetor. I've always, I guess when I was a kid, I hated when you got something new and then it was, batteries not included. So I like to make sure, anytime I can, to make sure that our kits include everything that you need. So you don't just, get this and go, oh great, now I have to order something else and pay another shipping cost or anything else. So we do include this seal ring that can go right with this, and it's got an O-ring on one end. It's indented on one side to match up with the air filter base, and then we have the O-ring side that'll match up with your carburetor. And whether you've got a 602 or a 604, it'll work on it's really about your carburetor more than anything else. So like your 4412s or your 4150s, it will fit with any of those. And this air filter base is meant for a 14-inch filter. And what we love about these have just continued to perform very well. We call them a flat base, although we've got this like little tornado that's going in, and we've got also a great video on that. I have one where I talked to engine builder Don Blackshear, and he explained how well these work and why they work, and we'll try to link that as well. So or if you look at the product description, you will see that video for sure. And those flat bases run $109.50. All right, next up in the number 3 spot is from our friends at Daytona 1, and this is our Dirt Off 2. So Dirt Off, the way this works is with your clean race car, you want your race car already to be clean, is just go ahead and spray this on, and it'll keep the dust and dirt from sticking to your car. Or, when it does get hit with like mud or dirt or dust, that'll just wipe off very, very easily. So we love the Dirt Off 2, and this runs $11.95 per can. And all of these items we have in stock, or I just won't even talk about them. So that's the reality there. All right, next up, I mentioned earlier how we are on a nationwide back order for 602 springs. However, we do have our 604, our Beehive springs. We do have those in stock. And the most popular way to get these is really just the way they come from GM. And these are all completely legal no matter what series you're running, because these are the genuine GM valve springs. And so they're the Beehives that go with our 604s, and they run $97.14 for a box of those. So that's going to be 16 springs. It'll be, all your springs. All right, and in our top spot this week is right here, front and center, is from our friends at Jones Racing Products, and this is our crank to water pump pulley system. It's the 1035-S-CE. It's one of our most popular belt drives for the front drive, and it works with any of your short style water pumps. I mean, we keep the Stewart water pump and we keep the Edelbrock water pump in stock, and it works with those, and it'll just be the crank to water pump. It'll work for either the 602 or for the 604, either one of those, and it's our most popular out of all of these, and that runs 210, so 210 even for our Jones front drive kit right here. And that comes with, oh, you know what, and it comes with the pulleys, it comes with the belt, and it comes with a spare belt as well, which is really, really nice to have. So that is what I have for you on July 16th, 2024 for Top 5 Tuesday. I want to thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and I will look forward to seeing you in another video.